All right, so we took the Miata off the lift. We're gonna get this the Chevelle up on the lift. We're gonna try to replace the shifter cable. Let's get this thing in there. Ugh. It's a tight fit. I think that's good enough. Tight. All right. Let's get this battery charger out of the way. I'm gonna try to do as much as I can today. Don't know if I have enough time, but we're gonna try to get at least that shifter cable done. That's not gonna work. Let's put this over here. Man, I need a lot more room. Sounds like church bells in here. We can leave that there. Actually, I was going to remove the ramps, but I don't think I have to. So let's get this up in the air. And we'll start with the bottom. Oh. Oh, this thing is slow. Either that or this car is heavy. It's an 8,000-pound lift, so it should be okay. It was on there before. Come on, baby. You can do it. And make sure I don't hit that door. Come on. All right, let's stop there and move that door. Right about there should be good. How would I get it to stay there? I don't have any tools here. All right, let's just close it. that's high enough. That'll do it. Let's see if I can open this door a little, get a little more sunlight in here. I think that'll work. Okay. Let's see what we need in here. It's pretty simple. It's just this one nut here. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah. Just slide it off of here. And that's done. That hurt. All right, folks, I'll be back in a minute. Latex gloves on. Got to protect my my skin. Excuse me. All right, I think we need a 9/16. Yeah, I have to wear these gloves because she doesn't like it when I get grease all over my finger and in between my fingernails. Okay. All right, that's the park position. All right. Need to hold that in place. Let's see, what can I use? No, that's too long. All the other tools are in the other garage. All right, let's hold this in place. Ah, there we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. That exhaust is hot. Just put that right there. All right, this should just slide right out. There we go. Yeah. And then this, we could just push up. Come on, baby. You weren't born there. And maybe it was born there. Ah. All right, she wants to give me a hard time. That's not gonna work either. There we go. All right, so this thing wraps. Oh, I see where it comes from. Wow, that's pretty tight. Okay, that's loose. I guess I have to go back up top now and pull it out of place. That was simple. All right. Just get in here, go up a little, get the pressure off, a little more. There we go. And back down she goes. Now we go inside. Let's see. And of course I didn't bring a light. All right, so it does have a retaining clip here. There we go. That's what that looks like. And we're gonna place that one right there. And then this should slide off. And there's another clip here. Let's see if I can pull this out without losing it. Oh yeah. And we'll put that one there. And we'll slide this up. that's it. She's out. Let's compare it to the new one. Hopefully they're the same length. A little longer will work. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's about 2 inches longer. I think that'll work out just fine. Cool. Let's get this inside. This cable is not just 2 inches longer, but I was taking this tag off of here and I noticed that this is adjustable. So you can adjust this to get the perfect fit. That's pretty cool. And not only on this end, but it also has an adjustment here. Check that out. So that's okay. Let's get this off of here. And then we have to swap out this pin here. That's not going to be too easy. We'll just replace it. This is what happens when you misplace all your tools, or you don't prepare your tools for the job. But I'll replace these cotter pins. Come on, baby. All right, guys. This is not a how-to video. This is a how I make a mess of things. I know, you guys are probably saying, why don't you do it the easy way? Well, I don't know how to do it the easy way. There we go. That's not gonna work. If I can get this to stop turning. All right, let me go get some pliers. Stop from twisting. There we go. Much better. I'll get it out eventually. Should have done this in the first place. All right, well, there you go, folks. That's why. There it is. Jesus. I made that look hard to do, didn't I? It's a simple remove the cotter pin. Oh, well, whatever. This has a little twisted. You know what? I'm going to save this to reinstall it while it's in the car. Once I pass this through. All right. And I also noticed that this one has these little tabs on it to hold it in place, but this one looks like it uses screws. We'll figure it out. Okay. Alright, so it has to go back that way. Oh wow, that was too easy. Maybe I should remove this. Shift works. Am I supposed to heat this? All I know is that it's stopping me from inserting it fully. So Yeah, I guess that's what it's for. Let's see if I can get this through there. Oh yeah, sweet. See that, guys? I'm learning as we go along. All right, let's try this again. Looking good so far. I'll deal with this later. Figure that one out. That's pretty tight. All right, let me try something else. All right, so I just had to hit it a little harder. She's in. Okay. Let's go back up. See where I can hang this light and get a better view. Let's try it here. Oh, damn it, man. Damn it, man. There we go. Come on. Okay. And now we twist it this way. Get it in here. Come on. You know what? Maybe I should put the pin on here. New cotter pin. Maybe I can go a little bigger. Oh, too big. Next size down. That'll do it. Alright, so this has got to go this way. Works for me. All right. All right, so I need a little less. How's that gonna help? right, guys, I can't see what I'm doing here. I don't have my reading glasses. So give me a second. Let me go get those. Glasses on. Okay, I can see there's a slot there. And this, make sure there isn't any tension. This is in park. And is this gonna slide in? There it is. Oh, sweet. All right. So we have in the slot. She's in. There we go. That's too easy. So there you have it, folks. How not to install your shifter cable. I'm sure there's an easier way. I made it look hard. My apologies. Where's... Oh, there it is. I'll hold this in place. Tight enough. Okay, back down she goes. Look at that. No more transmission leak. Sweet. All right, let's take her down and try her out. Okay, let's get this out of the way. No grease. She's gonna be happy about that. Let's see how this feels. Ooh. So smooth, like butter. First, second, third, drive. Neutral, reverse, oh, reverse. Or is that reverse? That's park. Yep, we'll try it. Oh, it needs adjustment. She started in reverse. That should be neutral. That's reverse. You know what? Let's try that again. I guaranteed I didn't put it on there tight enough and she slid a little. All right, I guess we'll try it again. Okay, so I raised the car back up and readjusted everything at the bottom. Just needed a little adjustment. Luckily, this has adjustment on here on both ends, and that worked out. And so what I did was I put it in park, and because I'm working alone, I put a zip tie on here to hold the lock up in the up position so I can move it freely, like so. And I was able to go through the gears at the bottom, and it worked out. I hope. Let's see. All right, locked in place. That's in park. Reverse. Wait a minute. Park. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. Third. Second. First. Let's see if it starts. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. Sweet. Let's get her back out. That wasn't neutral, that was reverse. Okay, reverse, that's what I meant. Now we're in neutral. Now we're in drive. So there you have it, folks. How not to swap out your shifter cable. This here, I'm just gonna figure this out and maybe put just some self tapping screws on here. Yeah, that should work. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.